I apologize, I've really been having some trouble with these videos, so this is like the fourth video to complete Unit 9. But anyway, I am on question number 11, and it says, is cut or fill required at the southwest corner of the lake house, and how much? Okay, so let's take a look at this. Southwest corner of the lake house is right here. We said that natural grade was at 336 feet. So let me just get a piece of paper. I'm going to do a dashed line. Natural grade is 336 feet. And you can see that right here. It goes to 336. And then we said finish grade. So that's the solid line here. We're going to do finish grade is somewhere between, we said this is 340 and then 342, so we said like 341 feet. According to the building elevations, it says that our grade of the first floor here is 342. So grade of the building is equal to 342 feet. And the finish floor is about a foot above the grade line. So if we look at this and we're thinking about the natural grade, not the finish, we're just going to do, if the elevation is about 342 feet, and then we'll just subtract out the 336 feet, and then we end up with 6 feet. So it had to be filled, and we said that the natural grade is about a foot above the grade line, so we're going to subtract out that foot. We'd have about 5 foot of fill that had to occur, so dirt had to be filled in at that point, about 5 feet. Question number 12 says, what is the elevation at the northeast corner of the site? So northeast corner of the site, we're looking over here. Alright, going back to question number 12, what is the elevation at the northeast corner of the site, not the building? So we're coming up here. This is the northeast corner of the site. We do see a contour line here that says 348. And then we look up, we're going to say that that's about 349 feet. So it's just an estimate. Hopefully this video helped you a little bit with understanding contour lines and interpolation. Just make sure that you are reading the steps in the book. They were pretty good. And again, if you have any problems while you're doing homework, make sure that you let me know as soon as possible. Before the weekend would be the best, so that I have time to help you or come visit me in the open lab.